Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by going into tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, just click on it. Now you need to select close in this pop-up and as you can see after that, location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down, tap on location section here and manage location by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!